NextJS has evolved into a powerful full-stack framework, offering robust back-end capabilities alongside its front-end strengths. Starting as a front-end framework, NextJS has gradually expanded its capabilities to become a comprehensive full-stack solution. Building secure backends in Next.js requires understanding three key concepts: authentication, which verifies a user's identity; session management, which tracks auth state across requests; and authorization, which determines what routes and data users can access. Modern applications often use centralized authentication services that connect users to various resources using protocols like OAuth, SAML, and OpenID Connect. Modern web applications typically use token-based authentication. In this flow, the server issues a token, usually a JWT, upon successful login. This token is then used to authenticate subsequent requests. JSON Web Tokens, or JWTs, consist of three parts: a header identifying the token type, a payload containing claims about the user, and a signature that verifies the token's authenticity. When it comes to storing authentication tokens, developers have several options, including local storage, session storage, and cookies. Security experts recommend using HTTP-only cookies for enhanced protection against cross-site scripting attacks. HTTP-only cookies cannot be accessed by JavaScript and are automatically sent with HTTP requests, providing better protection against XSS attacks. HTTPS encryption is essential for secure communication between the browser and server. It ensures that all data transmitted, including authentication tokens and sensitive user information, is encrypted and protected from eavesdropping. Next.js API routes are serverless functions that allow you to create backend endpoints directly within your Next.js application. They provide a convenient way to handle authentication, data fetching, and other backend logic. These API routes can be deployed as serverless functions in cloud environments, creating a scalable and cost-effective backend for your application. Middleware is crucial for route protection in Next.js applications. It intercepts incoming requests before they reach your routes, allowing you to perform authentication checks and redirect unauthorized users. A typical middleware function checks for authentication tokens in cookies and redirects unauthenticated users to the login page. This creates a centralized security layer for your application. By understanding these fundamentals of authentication, secure storage, API routes, and middleware, you'll be well equipped to build secure and scalable Next.js applications. Let's dive into essential security best practices for Next.js backends. We'll cover four critical areas: input validation, output encoding, dependency management, and the backend for front-end pattern. Input validation is your first line of defense. Always validate user-provided data to prevent SQL injection and cross-site scripting attacks. Implement validation functions that check input format, length, and content before processing any user data. Output encoding prevents XSS attacks by ensuring that data displayed to users is properly sanitized. This transforms potentially dangerous scripts into harmless text. Although Next.js and React automatically encode most output, you should use dedicated libraries for complex scenarios. Without proper security measures, attackers can intercept communications between users and servers, potentially stealing sensitive information or injecting malicious code. Regularly update dependencies to address security vulnerabilities. Tools like npm audit, Dependabot, and Snike can automatically detect vulnerable packages in your project. Running regular security audits and applying fixes should be part of your development workflow. The backend for front-end pattern isolates your front-end from the outside world. Next.js excels as a BFF, handling authentication, data transformation, and API requests. This pattern provides better security isolation, simplifies front-end code, and centralizes authorization logic. For deployment, Vercel remains a popular choice for Next.js hosting, offering built-in security optimizations. Now let's look at emerging trends that will shape the future of Next.js backend security. Four key trends are emerging: WebAssembly integration, AI functionality, new authentication solutions, and security as an ongoing process. WebAssembly integration in Next.js is becoming more prevalent. enhancing performance without sacrificing security or flexibility. WASM allows you to run high-performance security operations directly in the browser, potentially reducing the attack surface of your application. NextJS supports advanced AI functionalities through integrations like the Vercel AI SDK, allowing developers to create intelligent applications with enhanced security features. When implementing AI features, focus on secure API key management, rate limiting, prompt validation, and content moderation to prevent misuse. Keep an eye on emerging authentication solutions like BetterAuth and StackAuth, which might reshape the authentication landscape. Passwordless and biometric authentication are also gaining traction. These new solutions aim to provide simplified implementation, enhanced security, and improved user experience while reducing development time. Remember that security is not a one-time task, but an ongoing process of improvement and adaptation to new challenges. Implement regular security audits, stay informed about new threats, update your security practices, and build security into your development process from the start.